Hey guys, this is Chris from Throttle. Welcome. Today we're at Gears and Grind in South Summerland. Today we're at the Baguette Cafe, where Gears and Grind happens. It's the first and third Sunday of the month. Don't forget to follow us at Throttle on Instagram, or don't forget to follow me at token_Pao. We're gonna do a quick tour around the event like we did last time and show what's going on today. And we're gonna start out with this R32, not a GTR, I think it's a GTS-T or GTT. This GTR has something a little bit unique. Last time we pointed this up, I want to point it up again because people don't realize are these vents on the side windows. Very sought after part. And also last time we didn't feature out these wheels right here. These are pretty cool. We got some rays. This is how GTR should always be done. Now we got here my Nissan Pao. I know we've seen this car a few times on the show, but as we hear, we have a nice pinstriping here by Magoo. The car has a 1000cc engine right here, so you can see a couple custom bits and pieces in here. We got a strut bar. This car does not need a strut bar. It does not go fast enough for a strut bar, but we have it. The car's theme is all wood paneling, if you haven't noticed. So we got a wooden steering wheel. We have a wooden shift knob. The retro stereo inside is a kind of a Bluetooth, but it is designed to look old school. The whole point of this car is retro. This is like the first PT Cruiser before Chevy, Plymouth decided to do it. If you guys have anything else you want to see more specifically with these cars, let us know. This BMW 3 Series is a unique build. This guy spent time. He built this in this garage during the quarantine, so we nicknamed the car Stimulus. Supercharged is not stock. If you're a BMW fan, you can probably guess why. But interesting build, done for under $1,200. So you don't need to sit here and spend all this money on a car to get to go fast. You just gotta be creative. Next to it, we have a right-hand drive Supra. So yeah, is that a Supra? Yes, it is. Imported from Japan. 93 Supra, twin turbo, I believe. This is like a clean example of how Supra should always be. He's got some bits and pieces coming for this car, exhaust, downpipe, all that. We have the unicorn, like I like to call it, the CTS-V Wagon manual. This is one of those cars that you buy and you never sell it. Beautiful wheels, just classic. One of these days I'll get one when I get kids. So. Right here, Mitsubishi 3000 GT. And this car does something a little cool. I know we saw it the other day, but I always like to point this out. Russ, want to make it wag its tail? That's what we call active aero, guys. This is like next level stuff. But you know what? Mitsubishi did this back in the day. So this guy, it may look like a Factory 5 Daytona, but guess what, guys? It has an EV engine from a Nissan Leaf in it. Beautiful blue color. The guy drives it only on the weekend. Now you might be wondering why does it have side pipes on here? Just kind of gets for look and nostalgia. But this car has something I love. It has switches. What guy doesn't like switches? Go ahead and take a look at the interior right here. You see a switch for everything. It's got a nice screen here, the monitor, the EV power coming out of it. Nice normal steering wheel. And everything's kind of like stainless or like that nice Alcantara felt type of material in there. Beautiful car. And when it kind of came in, we didn't even hear it coming. It was all nice and quiet. So not a Tesla motor, but I think he's thinking about doing that, but Nissan Leaf, a beautiful car. We're gonna go and check out this other 300ZX red one. The one thing I did want to point out this week though is, which I don't think anybody caught last time, was these carbon fiber covers right here. He made these things, guys. So to make carbon fiber yourself at home, these are removable and they do pop up. All right, guys, we're here in front of the Ferrari 48 GTB. GTB stands for Gran Turismo Bernelli. I think I got that right. If I'm wrong, correct me. Great interior. I actually drove this car on track myself. I love this thing. Twin turbo Ferrari. When this car came out, a lot of people didn't like it because it was a twin turbo Ferrari. They felt like it took something away from the car. It's kind of proven itself over the years. If you look right here, you got the beautiful Ferrari engine right here, guys. Ferrari always likes to display their things. At night, it actually lights up. Nice red engine cover going on here. Beautiful car. But these are soon about to be replaced by the F8 we showed the other week at Exotic Espressos. And guys, that kind of rounds out everything here at Gears and Grind today. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to follow us at Throttle. Don't forget to follow me at Throttle_Pao. If you guys need some video editing, reach out to our video editor. I think it's, what's your name?
The Other Malia.
The Other Malia. Everything will be tagged down below. Guys, thanks for joining us this week at Throttle. Have a great week. We'll see you next week.